If you don't like tiny TV screens but still want to game anywhere, then turning your laptop into an Xbox display is the move. Let's set it up. First, power down both your Xbox Series S and your laptop. Trust me, plugging things in while they're on is a rookie mistake. Avoid the tech drama. Now grab your HDMI cable. If your laptop doesn't have an HDMI input, don't panic. Just use a compatible adapter. Check your ports to see what fits. Plug one end of the HDMI into the Xbox's HDMI out port. The other end, straight into your laptop's HDMI in or adapter. Turn both devices back on. Sometimes your laptop will instantly show your Xbox screen. Bonus points for simplicity. If not, hit Windows key plus P and pick second screen only. On Mac, head to System Settings Displays. Need to connect your controller? Use USB or Bluetooth. And if your display looks weird, adjust the Xbox settings under TV and display options. That's it. Game on, legend. Quick tip: always check your cable connections if things look glitchy.